I feel it slipping through my hands. A quiet break, I understand. I try to hold what wouldn't stay, a fading line, a distant gray. Every word I couldn't prove now echoes back. I lose you.